Brad Williams, XL Prime, combined two individual lists into a single list. Similar to what we've been doing. No surprises here. We're going to look at this data and configure this as we have in the past. We have two lists. We have Sand Harbor and Ocean Beach. Combine them into a single list using the HSTACK and their array format. Array and array, just combining arrays. Always going to start with the left side first and then the right. It always goes left to right. We're also going to deal with the VStack combination down the road, but more practice than anything else. Read it if you need it. Manipulate this stuff. Hit F9 if you want, just to get an idea of what the changes look like and how they transfer from one list to the combined lists. Work it out. 2028 just represents this first answer, and then you can read up about the anatomy. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.